GreenRE, my fellow board members and colleagues, when Marina called me up and says, Jagan, we've got something for you and the board to do after the board meeting. I said, what? And he said, we're being awarded this wonderful honor. And I said, yes, good. And she said, no, Dr. Sri FD is coming to London. I said, better still. He and I live very close to each other. old friends, neighbors, kids know each other, go back a long time. So, I reflected on this award, and there are many, many good things that we have done here. And I think Sarah later on will be sitting down with the press and talking about the journey in terms of sustainability. And as part of sustainability, there is the green agenda, right? And I think about the chimneys. We had to replace the chimneys, and trying to do that with bespoke bricks from the original brick factory. These days, who does things like that? Saving falcons that are sitting up in chimneys, and then in terms of emissions, electricity saving, water saving, the whole thing, bunch that we've had to do. And I think that journey has been from inception to completion challenging, but I think at the end, immensely rewarding. And I think for all of us, our Battersea Team Battersea, shareholders, and today I look at Battersea Power Station, almost associated with the Malaysian flag. And we take great pride out of that whole thing. When you look at this building, I mean, it was derelict. We took a derelict building and we restored it. And I think, again, when we look at the sustainability agenda today, this is a huge part of it. I think in the UK, knocking buildings down and putting up new buildings will be more and more difficult. The whole philosophy is changing, and that you take old buildings, you retrofit it, and you make them more efficient, right? It's sometimes some of the things we can learn at home. So I reflect, and I think we have achieved a lot down here, and I'm sure both at home, Simon Darby Property, my friend Datuk Chung at Setia are also doing very similar things. Many of our buildings are green certified. Our townships are now heading towards various sustainability goals. I mean, this is now front and center of board agendas. So, this is a wonderful recognition for everybody associated with the journey. I'd like to thank you, Datuk Sri. I'd like to thank everybody at GreenRE and our friends at REDA for the recognition. Thank you so much.